This water's so clean I could probably drink it straight, but you know, I got a filter, so why risk it? Gravity pulls the water through the filter, fills up my jug. When the filter's new, it does about 1 liter a minute. It's pretty quick. Once you're done, you gotta go ahead and drain the whole thing. If it turns to ice inside your filter, then the filter won't work. Woo! Now it's chilly. Oh, that's pretty. My knees feel good now, but that's gonna change. There's the river I crossed with the snow dog. All right, I think it's time for a little lunch break. Got this venison summer sausage that a friend gave me on the island of Molokai. Oh, it smells lovely. Yeah, that's good.